So I am using a lot of strange colors today. And by strange I mean quite a strange combination of colors today. And I was exploring the Arteza, one of the main things, actually getting ahead of myself here, the Arteza elements. Now, Arteza came out, they've had the metallics for a while, and many of you have probably already seen this on some other channels, but in case you haven't, Arteza came out with a new line, and it's just basically a big tube of some of the best colors in colors that kind of go together. And this one's called Classic Elements. This box is called Classic Elements, and what came in here was the pearl orange, amaranth red, strawberry red, glacier blue, ocean blue, turquoise, sea green, and cactus green. And that's all the colors that you see right here. And then I added today the bronze, the gold, and the Aztec gold. So they also have a set that comes out that's just the metallics, like the 4 or 5 metallics, and I love them. They're really beautiful, but these are so pretty, these pearl colors. Now, having said that, I'm going to tell you a little secret. Don't use all metallics in your paintings unless you want very muted results, because the reality is that we need some transparents and some opaques mixed in with your metallics in order to bring them out. Metallics are really heavy, and you really need to have a variation. So I don't recommend using all metallics, and I didn't today. The ones that we used today were the pearl amaranth red, the pearl tangerine orange, which actually, this is truly my favorite color, and then I just put a couple drops of white in there. I just wanted it to be really light. Dirty Artist is here. How awesome is that? Thank you, Rocket Sauce, for donating. Anybody wants to donate to my channel to keep this channel going, please do. I really appreciate that. But I'm going to show you. So this is the pearl orange. The ones that I decided to use today, this cactus green, like, it's a weird color. But it's really pretty, and I think in the right way it could be, it's very special, but it has kind of a grayish undertone to it. Let me see if I can get you in a little bit more so you can see. So these are the colors. So see, this cactus green color has almost like a grayish undertone to it. I don't know, it's very interesting, but I decided to try that one today. This other one, this blue, is the pearl turquoise. So, yeah, Bobby, isn't that cactus green? It's just a little odd, and I'm trying to figure out if, will it just make things look gray, or is it a good plan? I don't know. And then this is the pearl amaranth red, and I thought, yeah, that's really pretty, and I like the pearl strawberry red is really gorgeous too. So those are the colors that I used from Arteza today, along with the Aztec gold, which is this right here. Yeah, I hear what you're saying, Vandana. It doesn't look gray on screen, but trust me, like Bobby said, there is something you'll see when you see it in person. There's an undertone to it that is not like any green I've ever used. It could just be the pearl kind of muting the green part of it. But anyway, these are the colors for Arteza that we're going to use today. And just just wanted to give you like a little lowdown of that. Now, so there's a lot of weird colors mixed up, and the other colors we decided, we, meaning me, myself, and I don't know why I do that sometimes. The other colors we decided to use, again, I just did it again. Welcome from Australia is Nickel Azo Gold, which is probably my all-time favorite golden fluid color. I love this color. It is amazing. And a black, which is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. I just like this. I like their black and white. I've always liked their black and white, and I think they work really well. Payne's Gray, which is this one. And I don't know what I'm going to do with that or if it's even going to fit in anywhere. This is... Oh, this light color right here is Extreme Sheen Jadeite. And this is a phthalo green by Golden, just golden. Now, yellow, I mixed yellow with a little bit of white, just a regular yellow, medium yellow. And then this one right here is alizarin crimson mixed with Love Struck Primary Elements. And I am in love with that color. This is similar to the color I used last week that made that red eye in the whale that you saw last week. So that's all the colors today, so you guys know what's happening.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notifications so I can make more art videos just for you.